Today I will be discussing about plotting several graphs using Plotly and adding annotation and more information to my plot. This was the plot that I have described in my last tutorial. So if you're excited to know how to generate this plot, you can view my step-by-step tutorial that we have in our last part 6 video. So you can view step-by-step COVID analysis in part 6 and see how we generate this graph. Today we will be adding more information to this graph. So I will be adding the information to US country because this is the country that has highest number of cases. So this was my data frame which I used last time to generate this plot. So I'm gonna check which country we have in this data frame. So let's see, we have 4 countries. I'm gonna be selecting US because I'm gonna add more information for my diagram regarding US. So adding, so this will be my table. The table contains data for US. I'm gonna explain you what I am doing. Bear with me. Color will be same, and this time I'm gonna add my cases. Don't want this to be in bold. Make it in center. So yeah, you can see now the dates has been, the number of cases has been added in my plot, but however this doesn't look good. Let me make it more clear. Make it minus exit. You can play with the number and can see now this looks much better. However, we have complete number over here. I want to have the decimal places comma in this number. So how can I add comma is using lambda operation. uh, volume whole value, you need to give comma, and you need to format this. So here we can see the comma added. So this is needs to be added in my plot. So in the for loop, add this, make it case. So this needs to be in, this needs to be displayed. Now we can see the comma is also added here. So this is my final graph, and this looks quite good. Now in the next, now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using Plotly library. The reason for using Plotly library is it is quite interactive, and the Matplotlib library was giving the result, but it was not showing. It is not was not quite interactive. So to make a interactive plot, I am gonna be using in my Plotly library. So I'm gonna input Plotly. So this needs to be installed. If not, you need to install. If you don't, if you see an error in using Plotly, you need to install it first. Using Plotly dot graph objects. Firstly, I'm gonna be showing you a simple line chart, and then I'm gonna be adding um, a daily trend for one country. So this was my data for the US. So let's plot this data using Plotly library. So let's set my x-axis. This is my age. Y-axis will be my number of cases. I need to reset my index because it is starting from 36. So let's first reset the index. I'm using my Plotly graph objects. So my axis, my axis. Let's add a title. Let's x-axis. duplicate. So even this needs to be in bracket. Confirmed cases. Comma is missing here. Missing. Here. Closing. I want to do here. So here we see the train for my for US, and here we can see the interactive chart where when we hover on the line, we can even see the train in 15 March 31st. We even have several features here, so we can even zoom in, zoom uh, particular month, and can even dig further and get back to normal. So if I use marker text and give my name as, and text as y-axis, and we can see the information being added, and we can even change our alignment and make it comma position, and it's much better. We can even change our color of the line. So there we go. Mm, And we have changed our colors. So this was quite basic, and we plotted a graph for US. And what I was trying to show you that inside a figure we do our plotting. So it has data and layout, and we can specify our title x-axis, and can change our information, like change our line colors and all. So this was quite basic, and this this was done to show how interactive plotly is, and how we can see the information uh, more clearly and more attractively. Now I'm gonna be showing you the COVID-19 daily trend using Plotly library. It's an animation where the trend shows it shows where we see daily trends. Here we can even we see um, our semi-monthly trend. I'm gonna write a code that shows the daily trend by plotting or using Plotly library. So going back to the original table, this was our final table where we converted and sorted the values for the US. So I'm going to be using this table. Let's sort it. This is of dates. Okay, so I'm going to be using this table. Let me import my Plotly and simply copy it from here. X-axis will be date, and this will be number of cases. So we need to have these things first. Since I will be in meeting, so let's keep this as my starting point. So this will be from one, suppose, let's say I don't need this, let it be position, my title will be same. In the layout, I'm gonna be adding buttons. So this will be my animated button. I'm gonna be adding play, and I need to even specify the range for my axis and y axis. So my axis starts from 122 to 71, and for y axis, sorry, so to added button. This was my range, and for y axis, let's take uh, minimum maximum our axis. So this is going to be our minimum, comma, maximum value. So it's supposed to be and let's close. So this will not play or do anything. This is my range from my data ranges from February to July. So we can see the axis is from Feb 2020 to July, and my y axis from 0 to 2.5 million. This is my min and max. This is my data frame. Now I'm gonna be adding my frame here, and I'm gonna be using for loop for let's frame one. Give it let's create an empty list first. Bench to to have my loop to be the length of x axis. So my x axis will be frame the list from zero to frame like this. Axis. Zero to frame. Let's print x and y. Maybe, yeah. So we can say that so it's been iterated, 1 and 2, then again 1, 22 and 23. So it's iterating every day. 22, 23, 24. So this looks good. Let's check wireframe. It also keeps on increasing. This is fine. Now we need to do x-axis. Okay. Now I want to check my values in frame. So in front of me. So we can say it's increasing, and at last we can see all values here. So this looks good. I specify my frame width here. Frames. Check. So once we play, we can see the animation is working. The trend is in, we have for every day, like Jan 30, we have 5 cases, 8 cases. The trend is increasing for 23 cases, 13 cases, till 15. We have 70 March 3rd, we have 37 cases and 450 cases. The trend seems to be increasing. It's increasing rapidly. Trend seems drastically increasing. So that's it. This is my line chart which shows the daily trend for US, and it is animated. So in the next video, I'm gonna be adding 2 to 4 countries and plotting the same animation. So that's it for today. Hope you learned a lot. Thank you so much.